Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. If you have been following my channel, you know that normally I try to avoid reviewing and using these hosted models, especially when it comes to image and video generation. The reason being is that most of the time they are paid options, and even if you get a free trial, then the API calls and throttling just makes it unusable even if you're trying to make a video with few of the samples. And I really like to thrash my models to their limit so that we would know what are the capabilities instead of just asking it to do hello world stuff. Now in this video still, this model Ray2, which is a video generation model, is an API based, which means that it is a hosted model which you cannot install locally. It is not open source. But the reason why I have decided to cover it in this video is because this recent upgrade of DreamMachine, which is a hosted platform for these video generation models like Ray2, is quite impressive. So in this video, I'm just going to review this Ray2 in DreamMachine by Luma Labs, and then we will see how it performs. This is not a sponsored video by Luma Labs at all. The sponsors of this video are this AgentPod. AgentPod lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. So now sponsorships are out of the way. Now this Ray2 looks quite good. So instead of talking, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to scroll down and show you this video which has been generated from text prompt. Look at the vividness, crispness of these videos. Now, to be very fair, when you try to generate these videos with your text prompts, you don't get this quality most of the time. But we are going to see shortly in their playground, which is a trial version. I haven't paid them anything, so hopefully there will be no throttling or anything like that. You can also try it out. One word of caution, it's very busy at the time because this has just been released, so a lot of people are trying it out. Sometimes you will just get throttling errors, but anyway, look at the quality of these videos. And this is a huge upgrade because earlier they had this Ray 1.6, so this Ray 2 looks really cool to me. And there are a lot of other samples which they have shown. Especially I like the way they have shown the natural motion. As you can see, the physics looks quite good in this one. Look at this. And even the animals are not malformed, because if you have multiple animals, you should keep a close eye on almost all of them so that you would know if there is any malformity. But these are curated videos, of course. Look at this one. The colors are very good. Instruction following is quite good too. Especially you see the way this is going here and there. Very nice. And these are the community generated prompts too, so you can copy paste them and then use them accordingly. This was one of the favorite which I saw where the knife just slices into the steak. Look at the smoke which is coming out of it. This is quite impressive. And then if you see this human figure, there is no malformity, which is quite good. It's a cinematic shot of ballerina. Very, very nice. And as I already mentioned, that the physics looks very, very impressive. Look at this. This one is another favorite, the maple syrup pouring onto pancakes. So if you're a Canadian, you must be loving it. This one is quite good. The eyes are fine in this one. Really impressive. And then there are a lot of other examples which I will also show you later. But now if you want to try it on, just click on try on, and then you will be presented with this screen. You just have to sign up with your email address, free email address, no credit card required. First step you need to do is just click on start a board, and then once you have started here, from this bottom section, just where it says image and its aspect ratio, click here and then select video. I normally go with this aspect ratio, which is width or height of that video. There are other things which you can check out, like keyframes and what sort of frame you want, but I'm just going to describe video and then maybe 5 second, because I think that is what it gives me. So it is already selected, so that is cool. So you see videos here. Now all you need to do is to give your text prompt. One thing which I always liked about this Ray models in DreamMachine is that your prompt could be free flowing. You don't have to really do any prompt engineering to a great extent. You can simply give any free flowing text and it is going to generate the video out of it. So what I'm going to say to it is, a traditional Bavarian beer garden in Munich comes alive in a warm summer evening with lively compa music, clinking beer stains and joyful revelers. Let's see what happens. I will let it run to generate the video. Normally, I believe it generates multiple videos and then you can select out of them. Now, this is what I really like about this DreamMachine is that it has these keywords. If you click on it, what happens is that it gives you different ideas. Like instead of Bavarian, you can go with Japanese, Mexican. I'll just stick with this. You can change the city, warm summer. So if you're stuck for inspiration, you can also check it out from here. And then, instead of beer, it is going with tequila, wine, mint, tea, and then you can change the music. How this is really one of my favorite here. And you can see that it is waiting for my turn, and then you can upgrade it for faster generation, but I don't have any credit or anything like that. So I will just let it run to see how it goes. And meanwhile, maybe we'll go back and then have a look at some other samples. So we already have seen these. Look at this. Okay, no, this is weird. Okay. Look at the eyes of this seal. Really good stuff. This is nice. Okay, so it has blacked out. Let's wait for it. Okay, it seems that their website has crashed and it just, or maybe my browser crashed there. Anyway, so I closed that tab and I'm still waiting for my turn to come. So, and as I said, there is a huge load there. So I will wait for it to see how long does it take to generate this, and then I will show you when it happens. So I'll just pause the video for now. And I waited for around 15 minutes and it has generated this. It says that it has generated this, so I'm just showing you in real time. So I'm just going to click on this first one. We can download this. Looks like an image to me instead of video, which is quite interesting. Okay, I'll just click back, and this is a funny thing. When I click on it, I cannot play it. So last time with the previous version, when it happened, when I used to refresh this page, it would show me. So let me refresh this page. And then you will be presented with this screen. Now the first one looks the one which I created. So I have clicked on that and I still don't see my video. So that is funny. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to download it and then I will play it locally to see how it goes. But if you see, it has generated 2 of them. So let me download it from here at the top right, and then I will see what happens. So it says publish and okay. Maybe I'll publish and copy link. So this is the link and I will open it in another browser window. And you see still the same issue, where I cannot play this, which is, I don't think so. It's a good look on this DreamMachine. The dream is squashed. Anyway, so it's all real time in front of you what is going on. If I'm doing anything wrong, please put it in the comments. Very happy to acknowledge that and maybe make another video if I'm doing anything wrong. But as you can see that it is video, I don't see any other option of doing it anything. Anyway, so you can even brainstorm on it if you like. I mean, it is brainstorm means that it is going to give you more ideas and that sort of stuff, and then you can chat with it from here. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps. Thank you for watching.